Hello friend, welcome to my channel Nano Tutpal. In this tutorial I am going to show with you that how you can remove beard from your face. Let's see. This process I will show you, that you can see that as a thumbnail of my video, that I have already worked on this the shape. There is a man's beard you can see in the face, and now I remove her beard from his face. So let's see the process. So I have already opened the portrait and I have a separate. Here is the main portrait, okay, and above this I take a new layer above it, and thereafter I removing a bit I choose for this. I mean to say that after opening the portrait I create a new layer above this, and thereafter I choose for this removing clone stamp tool, and here is the property panel. You can see removing for this I choose for soft round edges brush, okay, and I choose the opacity normal. I'm choosing for lighten, and opacity 100 and the flow is 77%. I choose. You can make it 100%, no problem at all. And all sample is must check the all layer or content below. You may be check, but I choose for all layers. Clear? Now we come to the top right layer button, top right layer, and choose for this. I mean portrait, and here I am turn on this eyeball of it and making front of you to see how I'm doing this. Holding the Alt key on your keyboard, holding the Alt key on your keyboard, and through this the way you can drag it through this, or also you can click it over here. You collect the sample nearby area from your face. Like if you are uh, making changes over here, like you are removing this beard line here, you must be checking through this here. You must be select through the alt, holding the alt key and clicks this, you get a sample from here, and this is the process you can do. You may change this to this the lighten to normal again, and here is a make sure to align this mask check. So if you align this must not be checked, so this case if you are sampling here continuously, the sample going to be take care of here particular area. I want to sample is move according that when I am adjusting this. Like if I are like removing this hair, the beard. So this case you can see the plus icon is moving all the way, all the way. Okay, or if the aligned is 6 is not going to move anywhere, because if the sample is locked, once the sample is locked is going to be again going to get the sample from the exact location. So that's it. So make sure the sample is on again, and you make a brush size smaller. Go to I mean to control through your the bracket key in your keyboard, and here you sample it on through the alt key and make a space between this, and continue sampling. After sampling the area you make it smaller and make some space over here, so you can get the sample every time not selected. I mean to you need to be go beyond this, and thereafter make a selection of this. You can get to see that here you get a space. Now you select and you get a lot of space area. Yeah, now make it brush is bigger. So you, that is the way you can remove this. Adjust, but it needs time to time taking change, Photoshop. So this is the process you can make to remove your beard from your face. So that's it friend, this video is not going to go so long. So I hope you did like this video. If you did, hit the like button, and don't just subscribe my channel, link the bell icon. So in future I will upload any more videos, you get notification for that. So thank you guys, I will see you soon, and take care. Bye bye. Thank you.